make all things new. It's not easy, no, it's a fight to leave my fears and step into your light. It's not easy, no, it's a fight to leave my fears and step into your light. Jesus, tear down the walls I've made. Lead me to love where grace invades. I lay down my pride, let your love ignite. In your name I'll shine, a flame in the night. In the shadow of the altar he spoke to me. Make it right with your brother, live in unity. It's not about me, it's about your call to love each other, surrender it all. It's not easy, no, it's a fight to surrender my will and follow the light. Jesus, tear down the walls I've made. Lead me to love where grace invades. I lay down my pride, let your love ignite. In your name I'll shine, a flame in the night. One with my brother till the work is done. Jesus prayed for unity, his love's the way. Together we'll stand as we follow his name. Jesus, tear down the walls I've made. Lead me to love where grace invades. I'll carry my cross, I'll walk in your way. For your glory, Lord, I'll live every day. Let the walls fall down, let your love abound. Jesus, you're the reason we are found. In your name we'll rise, hearts unified. Jesus, our Savior, be glorified. Let the walls fall down, let your love abound. Jesus, you're the reason we are found. Jesus, in your name we'll rise, hearts unified. Jesus, our Savior, be glorified.